Hello there. So today I want to talk about my experience as a DIY content creator. I've been creating DIY decorating videos with a focus on how to make backdrops and centerpieces for the past year now, and my journey has been filled with highs and lows and everything in between. Allow me to start by mentioning the importance of having a passion and a clear why. That is, a clear reason for choosing the path of DIY content creating. Have had times when I felt like giving up because things were not moving as I thought they would. It's funny how things seem easy when you're out there and you're not yet involved in something, but realize that the case is different once you get started. What has kept me along the journey is the passion I have for decorating and also my reason of starting in the first place. My encouragement to someone who wants to embark on this journey would be that be ready for challenges. If you don't have a passion for DIY content creating, don't even think about starting, and let your reason for starting motivate you to keep going along your journey. Please like this video to help it reach more people who would benefit from this information. By doing so, you'll be helping my small channel have a chance at growth. Secondly, experience has taught me that it's important to put out quality content. There are so many amazing creators on this platform putting out great content. What will make a viewer sit down and watch your channel will be the quality of your content and delivery. Always aim to be the best while staying true to yourself. Thirdly, you must make deliberate decision to plan your work. They say, failing to plan is planning to fail, and I can't agree with it more. Always have a schedule of days for when you'll be shooting your videos and set specific days for uploading your work. Decide in advance what you'll be creating in the next week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and so on. Planning will help you stay consistent. I've also learned that it's important to appreciate my journey as it is unique to me. Comparison mostly leads to discouragement, so be careful not to compare your journey with others. Instead, learn from your mistakes and improve on areas you feel you're lagging behind. Not only this, creating DIY decorating videos is time consuming. You need to set aside a decent amount of time to allow you unpack and assemble your supplies together. That is, time to arrange your flowers, embellishments, and everything you need to pull off your work. Once you are done, you need to set aside more time to pull down your work and pack up your items for next use. I personally struggle with the pulling down part because I would have created a backdrop or centerpiece that is so beautiful to look at, and to think that I have to pull down, break apart my creation is so heartbreaking, but also necessary. The sixth experience I want to share with you is that creating DIY decorating content will require decent amount of effort both physically and mentally. This, however, should not discourage you because you are creating what you are passionate about. Your why and your passion must be able to easily carry you through this process. This seventh point may not be your favorite, but you need to invest your money in buying your supplies, which unfortunately is not so cheap. You need to spend time researching on where you'll be sourcing your supplies such as flowers, linen, backdrops, embellishments, and so on. Also, you need to decide which source will be cheaper for you. Is it going to be cheaper buying from a local store near you, an online store in your country, or online store internationally? You need to make a decision that will suit you best. I personally prefer all of the above depending on the items I'm buying and quantity. The other point is that creating DIY deco content will give your passion or business exposure that will in turn open up new doors for real decorating jobs in the long run. If making money is part of your why, you will enjoy this as it will bring in another stream of income away from having your channel monetized. Lastly, but definitely not the least, I've learned that it is important to pray for the works of your hands. Scripture says that commit your plans to the Lord and He will establish them. Always pray for your work and ask God to lead you through your journey. I'm going to leave you with these beautiful waterfalls from Africa. Don't forget to like this video if it has been of value to you. Until next time, bye bye.